So we have our mixture. It's kind of thick because it's more avocado than aloe. I'm not going to the store for now with this quarantine, so it's okay. And I needed to use those avocados because they are not okay to eat, but I really like what avocado does to my hair too, so it won't kill us or it won't kill my hair. So my hair is combed out. Don't mind the fact that it doesn't look like it. It is, okay? Don't mind. So I'm just gonna take this mixture right out of the blender cup and apply it to my hair. Okay, that's better. And comb it through. To make it a little bit looser, I ended up adding some olive oil. Didn't really help much, but I tried. So today in Canada, all non-essential stores were forced to close. I don't know what makes them think that the hair store is non-essential, that the hair store locked. Which sucks because I'm missing a product to do my hair tomorrow, but I literally decided to do my hair on the smallest whim, so I couldn't have even prepared for it, so it is what it is. It's not like it's gonna stay in for long anyways, because I like having my hair done. But I also like the freedom of being able to wash my hair whenever the hell I feel like. Trying my hardest not to use too much because I don't want it to drip, and I don't want to get it all over my bathroom. Coating my hair really well, and honestly, if I have any of this left over, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge or maybe even the freezer, just so that it doesn't continue to like spoil, and I'll use it again in like a week. So last time, right away it looks like it's doing something, so I'm gonna do the aloe vera challenge on my face. That is honestly originally what I bought the aloe vera leaf for. But then I realized, I'm like, that's a lot of aloe vera leaf, like. And I got new products for my face too, so my face has already started to clear. Get my melanin back, guys, because face look like a battlefield for a hot minute. Means like dry. And on a normal day, I would probably just rinse this because like it doesn't smell bad. I'm never using egg in a face mask ever again. Oh my gosh. I wanted to gag at the smell of my head top, my bathroom. Like I literally cleaned my entire bathroom after that. I had to I washed the mats, disinfected the whole place, until it smelled like Lysol, Pine Sol, and bleach. I wasn't happy. It was honestly just gross. So, there's a first and a last for everything. It looks like I might actually use all of this. That's exactly what I didn't want. Oh my gosh. I should be doing it more over. I should be applying this, more over the sink, but then I wouldn't be able to use the camera. So get all of my edges, They suffer too with all that dry gel I be putting on it. I'm extremely excited that it's not tripping. Damn, can I get it on the wall or something? It just... I really hope that my phone is not picking up on the quiet music outside. Because that would suck. Because I really want to talk to you guys. And I would have to mute the video. And I have not mastered voiceovers yet. So this will just be a music. Ironic, just put some music in it. Call it George. Of my head is really sore. I'm actually at a point where I'm nervous. Damn, am I gonna have enough or better? But I can't lie, it smells yummy. It smells like, I don't know. I'm thinking of a food, but I can't name it right now, but it smells like something I would eat. Funny, the first time I ever tried avocados or pear for my Caribbean people was actually in Spanish class in high school. That was my first time ever trying avocado. And it's not to say it's never been around before. Like it's always on the dinner table, just, you know, chilling there, waiting for somebody to eat it. And I just look at it like, And now I eat avocados just raw by themselves. Like I'll cut them up and just slap some salt on it. And delish. But Spanish class, yeah. I don't know, my teacher was trying to be creative and trying to get us into like Spanish culture. So she had us make a guacamole in class. And of course I had to try it at every stage so I know what it tastes like. And at first I really didn't like it, like without all the extra seasonings and the tomatoes and the pepper. Like I didn't like it without all that stuff. But eventually, like as I started to get older and eat better, I just like them for their natural taste now. And of course, all the benefits they give my hair. I'm not even mad that it's getting on my face because I don't like. I'm telling you guys, I really sit down and eat this. If it were a thing, but it's really not. I'm really trying to take better care of my hair, like the kind of care that you take care of your hair, like the kind of hair, the kind of care that you put in after you just do a big chop and you really want your hair to grow back because it's that awkward short. Yeah, that's the kind of care I'm trying to put into my hair, but I don't think I'm gonna get there because my hair isn't like noticeably and uncomfortably awkwardly short anymore. But we'll see. So after girl, your life, your wine, your family, friends, they just don't understand. It's whatever, the carpet's dirty. Just move on with life. It is what it is at this point. So you can stop asking why I never left you, why I kept it waiting. So I don't have much left. My hair's not dripping, so I'm just gonna go through back on the sections and just add it because I don't want to waste it. I don't want it to go into the garbage. All this goodness, all these vitamins, all the smoke and all the sauce on that top. I'm just gonna go through and just see if I can find places that are dry and, you know, add more. Especially back here. Honestly about to go sit down and take pictures for Snapchat and Instagram because yes, I have the mask in, but my hair looks cute, don't? don't answer that, because honestly, I think it looks cute. So guess what? It doesn't matter what you think. No, I'm joking. I appreciate you guys. You know? Get it in at my scalp. Okay, I'm gonna rake this one last time. And whatever comes out, I'm gonna use, and everything else, I'm just gonna leave it because I'm not begging for the mask here. Really not. But I don't want to waste it. So this is gonna go in at my scalp. What is this gonna do for my scalp? I don't know. We're gonna find out together. Okay, now my head feels heavy because it's full of product or mask or avocado. It's not for me. Anywho, so yeah, I'm gonna leave this in, honestly, until I decide that I want to go shower, which is gonna be soon. I don't know if I told you guys, but it's like 1 a.m. So I'm gonna go take a shower soon, but for now, this honestly feels really nice on my head, so it's gonna stay there. And I'm gonna go start my aloe vera challenge, so stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna do it for 7 days, so if I start tonight, then that means I should be able to upload the video Wednesday morning. So come back for that. See you soon. I'm gonna show you what my hair felt like, looked like, and all that when I finish washing it up. So okay guys, so I've washed the mask out. I actually slapped some conditioner in because I rinsed out in the sink, so I'll wash out the conditioner in the shower, although it's not really good conditioner, so it doesn't make a difference. But this is what my hair looks like after using that mask. I will say this is like my normal amount of definition, but it gave me a lot of volume. Like, I washed my hair in warm water, not like, you know, cool warm water, and I will say this is a lot of volume. Like, I usually don't get so much volume just from washing my hair. So I will say it did that. As far as how my hair behaves afterwards, we'll find out when I go to style it tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell your friends, you know, come back, because I started my aloe vera mask challenge today. So yeah, take care. Bye.